She likes scaring kids by playing around with them. What? Bro, if this character was eating lunch, by the time it gets down to the bottom of the throat, it's already time for dinner. Guys, I don't feel so good. Testing, testing. Good. Just testing my mic right now, like how you guys test my patience. And before we get into it, this video is brought to you by Squarespace. All right, guys, so recently on Instagram, I've asked you guys to show me your original characters. Not fan art, not studies, but your own original creations. And now the time has come for us to look through them, tear them apart, and thoroughly destroy them. But with that being said, let's get right into it. Let's find our first victim. This is your OC? This is the best you can do? Honestly, lots of room to improve, and I could give you a really good piece of advice that I think will help you a lot on your journey, and that is to quit art and become a doctor. Oh wow, look at that scenery and background. Good on you for drawing the background, but what's going on with this shadow? You're like, wow, I'm doing great, and then you come down here, you're like, please get it together. Oh, amazing. You know what's even more amazing? You've included the cranium in that profile view. It's beautiful. It's glorious. It's like a giant egg. But over in this one, her head is looking a little bit big. Getting that cranium right, there's a fine balance between too big and too small. Like Buddha once said, walk the middle path. Look at this guy with the blue hair from 2020 to 2022. I think that's a pretty good improvement. And 2 hours, 10 minutes. Wow, look at you. All I can say now is I am speed. 2 hours, 10 minutes for this, and your speed? Speed of a tortoise. Oh, what's this? Look at the blue tattoos on this one. Okay, jacket looks good, but you know what? I would appreciate it if you stopped running from your face responsibilities. Draw the nose, draw the mouth. Jesus. Oh, look at this one. This is Elvis. Elvis? I haven't drawn her in a while. Yeah, your favorite OC. Elvis looks kind of depressed, but you know what? Elvis is relatable, because if I looked like Elvis, I would be depressed too. Oh dear, look at that. And I'm very happy with the result. I'm happy that you're happy. I was inspired by the work slash style of Sam. Oh no. Now what we can do is together, we can do the finger trick. Now we're gonna take 2 fingers and we're gonna cover up the entire back half of her head. So covering it up just like that. Now I want you guys to imagine the size and the shape of the back of her head, okay? Try to picture where it might be. Use your tiny baby brain to complete this image. Can you kind of see it? Because I can kind of start seeing the back of her head now. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our fingers away in 3, 2, 1. It's tiny. Her head is so small. Is she dense? A lamp character. Why haven't I named any of my characters yet? Well, maybe because this really isn't a character that deserves a name. Honestly, if I were you, I'd put her right back where she came from, put her out of her misery. She don't deserve this. I don't even know if this is an OC. I don't think this is. I think some people just don't know how to read, but the face, her face kind of looks like that one villain guy from Shrek. Now this is what I love to see, okay? A great standing pose, some expressions, and a little action pose and a profile view. But he looks like himself here. He looks like himself here. But when you come here, but that's a different guy. That is not the same guy. Look at that. Meet NVIDIA. Like NVIDIA. Ooh, and this was the original. So that's a big improvement on your part. Really well done. Only thing is the space between the eyes. It's a little bit close. Push them out a little bit. Yeah, take a liquify brush and actually, you know what? This is kind of a cool idea. You're just drawing every single personality type as a character. That would be a fun art challenge. But after seeing this drawing, really the only thing that's on my mind is I'm glad I'm not ENTP. Ooh, my goodness, you sure know your audience. Oh God. Oh my God. What happened? This is such a sad looking character. I don't even want to roast you. This is just sad. She looks like a rat. Okay, so this is a cool looking character, but there's one major thing that's really bothering me right now. Here it says my original idea for this was completely different than what it turned out to be. Now, I don't know if your original idea was for this character to have a meter-long neck, but this is what she looks like. I want you to use your little eyeballs and try to see through the hair, okay? Try to imagine where the neck would be. Bro, she looks like a mantis. Ooh, oh no. Okay, so this is Jackie. She likes scaring kids by playing around with them and pissing off some of their parents. What? Who? Bro. Okay, so you're telling me you're sitting at your table and some kind of unholy force has compelled you to tell this story and share it with the world? What? Why does she have eggs for hands? Maybe that's why the kids are scared of her. Wow. Ooh. I love your color scheme. I love your accessories. I love this like heart theme that like also shows up right here. Thirst trap. Cute cat too. He's like, please help. I'm scared. Please help. I Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm just gonna get this off my screen real quick. Okay, first of all, this is Ellie. This is not your original character. And second of all, the caption. I wish she could be my girlfriend, but sadly Sadly what? I'm about to call the police on you. FBI, open up. Cool character, but looks like she's been punched in the face. Your character's right eye is way off to the side of her face. Flip your canvas around. As soon as you do that, trust me, you're gonna see this mistake, and then you're gonna realize that your character looks like she's got her head squished in a door frame. First of all, this is a study and not your OC, so you clearly have comprehension issues. And second of all, her neck, please. Why is it so long? Why do we keep drawing our characters like Master Uguay? Again, guys, again with the neck. If this character was eating lunch, by the time it gets down to the bottom of the throat, it's already time for dinner. But I lose my mind. Another neck. What's going on? Now, if my neck was this long, would you still watch my videos? I don't think so. Wow, look at this character. I really like her costume. I like her color scheme. She's looking real nice. Congrats to everyone who put up with me while I struggled to design him. Him? This him? You. And would you look at that? She is so cute and I love your style. This is great. Meet Lucas, the male protagonist. Why is it that all these male characters look like females to me? Y'all need to stop yassifying your male characters. Speaking of that, maybe we should do that for our next video. Dude, you can't, my day is now ruined. Oh my god. I wasn't planning to draw his hair, but I did, so you shouldn't have drawn this at all. I know it's ugly. Okay, good, as long as you know. No, but you know what, guys, in all honesty, if your drawings look like this, it's not necessarily a bad thing. What I'm saying is you should not lose hope. Honestly, just try to get more experience because this is rock bottom, and the only way to go from here is up. What the this is, wow, what is he doing with his mouth? I love how you just covered all of the most important parts of the face. You're not running from your responsibilities. You're sprinting. You're just absolutely booking it. You're sprinting. You're fast as the wind. You're like a cheetah on the plains of Africa. And not just any cheetah either. You're quite disturbed. What's she holding there? I don't know. I look kind of sus. Bro, stop. What? Zip up your fly. Why are you guys like this? So you see that front door of your house? Just outside of that, there's this wonderful thing called grass. Touch it. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna cry. How are these fur boobies? And how does a furry have tattoos on the... Guys, I don't feel so good. Right. Okay, so we're just gonna move our eyes off of our faces and have our characters look like little wasps and now call this an art style. Every time I do this, I lose a bit of my sanity. There are quite a few things wrong with this, but I think what really draws my attention is this back arm. It looks like a bent noodle. And this really goes for maybe everything on her body, but I think the curvature here is just all in the wrong places and the anatomy is just not there. She reminds me a little bit of an uncooked, soggy, moist spaghetti. And that's not a good thing. Once again, guys, I want to say thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Squarespace gives people a powerful and beautiful online platform from which to create your website. You can connect with your audience and generate revenue through gated members-only content, manage your members, send email communications, and leverage audience insights, all on one easy-to-use platform. You can create a community on your Squarespace website with a fully integrated commenting system, use their powerful blogging tools to categorize, share, and schedule your posts. Extend Squarespace's already powerful e-commerce capabilities with Squarespace extensions. These new third-party tools can help you manage inventory, promote products, streamline bookkeeping, and ship items across the globe. You can also display posts from your social profiles on your website, automatically push website content to your favorite social media channels so that your followers can share them too. Be sure to go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, use this link right here to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or a domain. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you guys were entertained by the suffering of these beautiful artists and their beautiful OCs. They're OCs. Feel free to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next video. You can go now.